Hi, my name is Kenyon. These are Mini Flamingos made from PVC pipe. Today I will show you how to make these and how to sell these. Let's go to the bench. Tracing the small flamingo. We use 4-inch pipe. This is actually drain pipe. It's a little bit thinner, a little bit easier to cut, faster to form, and sand. Pattern is made from rubber shelf liner, laser Sharpie. This is how you make multiple birds. They nest inside each other. Cut the birds in groups, and I cut them individually on the bandsaw. The minis are the backbone of this business. I make them out of the scraps after cutting out the big birds, and I usually bring 30 to 50 of these to the market. They're good giveaways also. All right, let's go to the bandsaw, cut these individuals out. If you follow the blade, you can see how they nest inside each other. Take your time, there's no reason to rush this. I've sold over 20,000 of these birds in the last 5 years. Probably 1,500 birds a year are these mini birds. When customers buy a large bird, I usually give them a mini bird as a free giveaway. When we sand, we do the inside birds first, then we do the outside. I always sand in the same sequence. I start at the head, then I go down, then I sand the legs, and I flip it over. This is just my sequence. You can come up with your own if you want, but try mine at first. Get going. I've made a lot of birds this way. Okay, let's take it to the bench and form this little guy. We'll be doing a batch of 5. In the inset, you'll see how we are forming, the animation of how we are forming this bird. We do 1 step per bird, do all 5 of the same step, then we move on to the next step. This is drain pipe, so it heats up a little bit quicker, actually much quicker than the thicker pipe, but you can use either pipe. You will use thicker pipe because it's from the scraps after cutting out the large birds. The parrot above heat gun, that's made out of drain pipe too. I usually make that out of the thicker pipe, but I tried a couple. Seems to work okay. I routinely make all the birds in batches, usually in batches of 10 to 15. And in my timing, it takes about 2 hours to make 20 of these minis. Takes much less time to sell them. Keep a cooling source handy, whether it's a fan or a spray bottle of water or even a small bowl of water to dip them in after forming the joint. Helps form it up very quickly. I normally bring 30 to 50 of these birds. I also have variations. I have a penguin variation, a woodpecker variation. Okay, let's do this last neck. Then we'll take it outside to the paint bench and we'll paint these little guys. The paint bench is always a busy place. We're doing 6 of these in this batch. Only takes 3 colors. Do the bodies first, and then we'll just do the orange or whatever color we're using for the contrast for the beak and for the legs. I use Rust-Oleum paint, 2X, had great luck with it. I go through about a dozen cans a week, about 600 cans a year. If you bring a full complement of birds, which is 4 large funky birds, 4 medium funky birds, a couple of large flamingos on pavers, then you bring maybe 30 of these mini birds, 20 of the medium birds, 20 of the small birds, maybe 8 woodpeckers, a couple of parrots. You can easily do between $1,200 and $1,500. Even more if you can charge a little bit more than I do. I keep my prices down there. You know, I like to do a volume business. I keep them affordable, but almost every bird sells every week for the last 5 years. It's uncanny. I keep a fan handy to control the spray more than drying the birds. Let's do the eyes. Of course, I use the Q-tip Chinese container method. Spray some paint in the Chinese food container, dip the Q-tip in, and you've got an eye. Let's go back inside and wrap this up. And that's how you make the mini pink flamingo. These are made from cutoffs after cutting out the larger birds, and I make hundreds of these every single month. They're great giveaway birds, great sellers. If you enjoy this content, please check my other birds on my channel. Like and subscribe for more birds and more tips on how to make and sell these birds. Have a great week. Thank you for watching.